Petar Bosancic 2-0 against Meta. Give us your commentary about this match.
Yes, good win here in Meta pitch, hard stadium. Young team who play very well, have a good system. Meta is like one of the best schools in Latvia, so it was a good game, tough. We knew it will be hard, but we give 100% and score 2 goals in first half. In second half also we show that we can defend very well. We keep this clean sheet and that's it.
Both clean sheet, 0 in the back, it's very important for goalkeepers, but also I think for central defenders also. How much work did you have today?
Yes, today also, especially second half, we had a few situations when we needed to defend more, but we played organized, everybody gave 100% in defense, that's the most important thing. And we keep this clean sheet, which give us also more confidence for the next game against Valmiera there.
More and more game time for you. How are you feeling? What are your conditions at the moment?
Yes, I'm feeling better and better every game. I'm getting minutes. That's the most important for the player, and also the most important thing that we are keep winning and keeping this first place.
What do you expect from the game in Valmiera?
I expect we go there, show what we can do, and we go there to win game.
Some days so far promised from coach. If we win, this is also the motivation, yeah?
Yes, this is maybe the biggest motivation for us, some 3 days, but we are thinking now only about Valmiera, and we will speak about everything after game.